have a kid teaching people his own age about money management. But today, Urbana Middle School welcomed 13-year-old Caden Harris to teach students about financial literacy. WCI3's Jared Thomas shows us the special moment.
It all started with two teachers, Letitia Douglas and Alyssa Ginsburg, applying for a $4,000 grant.
And so I was looking through the grants, and I saw one that said Vincent O'Green Financial Literacy. I was like, this is it. This is perfect.
Caden Harris is a young entrepreneur, but is most known for being on a show called Big RV Remix, starring Janice Faison and Big Boy.
Well, I would always see people turning buses into homes, so I had the idea, why not turn a bus into a classroom where kids can learn about financial literacy in a fun and interactive way.
Harris says he's never doubted his vision, but a chance encounter with a cookie was a guiding light.
I got a fortune cookie, which said you will be blessed with a 4-wheel investment in your future. And a week after that, I got the bus.
Harris says he wants other kids in the world to be able to believe in themselves too.
I want them to learn that everybody has a gift. You just have to figure out what that gift is and implement it into your life. Because many times people say that they want to follow their passion, but your passion may not be the thing that's going to lead you to success.
Harris now travels around the world teaching kids about the importance of money management. The young prodigy says he loves it because it's what he's used to, his favorite part.
But I still get to be a kid as well, which is one thing that I enjoy.
Reporting in Urbana, Jared Thomas, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Always good to know that he's still a kid there. Caden's bus includes 3 essentials: a mock bank so kids can learn how to earn, deposit, and withdraw their money, a mock grocery store so they can have a family budget, and lastly, a mock stock exchange so kids can learn how to invest in the stock market. Changes are